Have you ever experienced a situation where you were running your blender, busy running your blender, it runs smoothly without any funny noise, but it does not crush you, the fruits, the ice or whatever that you're blending? There's no progress in the blending. Have you ever wondered what could be the problem? Well, I've got you covered. This button here, this knob here, the one that connects with your jack, the blades of the jack that runs. This button is the one that runs the blades. So if it's loose like this one here, you have got a problem, my brother. You've got a problem, my sister. You'll never get any good results out of this loose knob or button, whatever that is. So you need to replace it with another one. You don't need to replace the whole blender. You just need to replace this button, more especially if there are no any other funny smells to suspect that your motor is burning or anything. It runs smoothly, but it does not crush the ice, it does not crush the fruits. Just know that this knob needs replacement. You need to replace the knob. There's nothing wrong with the motor, only the knob is exhausted. You need to replace it with another one. Thank you for watching. Remember, at Ace Electricals, we sell brand new appliances and electronics. We buy and resell. We do repairs. We also educate people on how to use appliances effectively. In order for you to help us grow this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share in order for this channel to grow and reach more subscribers, in order to spread the word of gospel in educating our people on how to use appliances effectively. Thank you so much. See you on the next episode. Bye.